Hello guys, this is my official Telegram channel Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet. If you want real working hack, 1xBet official website Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet. Look at this, guys. Okay, actual first date and first time 9 June 24 years. You see that? And let's go. I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome. You see this is Google Chrome, most bet official website. All this real. Most bet official website, Google Chrome, you see that. Aviator game, flowers, your account. Go to my mobile Android phone, Aviator Predictor application, from the Shark, most bet. Just wait a little bit and you see next coefficient when Aviator most bet stop. Just wait. 4.09 next coefficient, guys. It's big coefficient. Look at this. Amazing. It's amazing, guys. Okay, let's go. And place a bet right now. Place a bet. Next coefficient 5.8. 5.8. And look how I win money, guys. Amazing, guys. It's amazing. It's work perfect. Hack work and place a next bet. 3.77 next coefficient, my friends. Look how it's work. Oh my god, next coefficient is very big, guys. Look at this, how I win real big money right now. Look at this, my friends. This is next coefficient, 14.69. Predictor from the Shark and my official Telegram channel. And me, guys, if you want this real working hack for your mobile Android phone. You see, guys. All this real. As you see, guys, all this real. My account. You see, my friends. Cash out. Yes, I win real big money, guys. You see, it's real work perfect, my friends. Thank you for Viv. If you want to make money like me, write me in my official Telegram channel, because all this real and this hack real work. You see, next coefficient is very low, 1.34. Yes. My bets, my history, my bets today. You see. Go to my account with draft, and I was drafted to my Visa card. 9 June 24 years. Thank you for Viv, guys. If you want to make money like me, write me in my official Telegram channel, because all this real and you can earn money like me easy and fast. You see. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you later.